Hi, welcome to the NFT course, Learn Everything About NFT. If you want to learn more about NFT, you came at the right place. This course is a complete course for NFT creators who may be beginners or at intermediate level. So in this series, I am going to guide you step by step and show you how easy it is to create 10,000 NFT with its properties and metadata to sell. Anybody can create an NFT with its properties and metadata. But there are some important steps and you need to understand the technologies behind it and its features and constraints. I will guide you through the steps and good practices to create an NFT with its properties and metadata so that you can be confident that you also do the right step when you create your first NFT with its properties and metadata. You don't need any coding skills to create an NFT, but you need to follow some steps. You need to have a wallet and sign the transaction. So, welcome to the course. My name is Mohammad Faizan and I will be the instructor of this course. So let me show you what I am teaching in this series. So in this series, in first section, I am going to cover the Photoshop. By the using of Photoshop, we can create like this digital art and we can generate lots of layers for our digital images. You can see here. Okay, and just like this we will create lots of layers for our 10,000 NFT, and using of Photoshop I will teach you how can we generate a design or how can we edit free images for our NFT or our digital art. And after this I will show you how can we generate our 10,000 digital images using a software which is free automatically. Okay, so you can see here are 1 to 10,000 digital images which we will create in our series. You can see here with properties and metadata. So 1 to up to 10,000 images you can see here, and let me show you the property of any image here which we have created using of our software. So you can see here the properties and metadata. Okay, and you can see the properties. Just like this we will create the properties of every unique image. Okay, and we will use in our collection. After creating 10,000 images, we will upload that all images on Opensea and we will create a collection. You can see here a crypto Shiba NFT collection, and I will show you how can you upload these digital images to your NFT collection using of a free Python software with its properties and metadata. So you can see here this collection. Okay, and in this collection I have uploaded some NFTs. You can see here, and I have covered how can you upload NFT or digital art on the Opensea NFT collection using a free software which is automatically. Okay, so I hope join this course and learn lots of things about the NFT and earn in Ethereum. So see you in the series. Welcome back guys, this is Mohammad Faizan, and in this lecture we are going to learn and we are going to understand what is a NFT, a non-fungible token. So you can see here a non-fungible token or NFT are pieces of digital content linked to the blockchain, the digital database underpinning cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike NFT, those assets are fungible, meaning they can be replaced or exchanged with another identical one of the same value, much like a dollar bill. Move over Bitcoin. Ether is back and nipping at your heels. Move over Bitcoin. And the second point is NFTs on the other hand are unique and not mutually interchangeable, which means no two NFT are the same. So we can take the example, think of Pokemon cards, rare coins, or a limited edition pair of Jordan's NFTs. NFTs create scarcity among otherwise infinitely available assets, and there's even a certificate of authenticity to prove it. NFTs are typically used to buy and sell digital artwork and can take the form of GIF, tweets, virtual trading cards, images of physical objects, video games skin, virtual real estate, and more. Okay, we can say in other words, a image may be PNG, JPEG, or GIF. It can be a NFT. It can be converted into NFT. Okay, the artwork means, for example of artwork, it may be a GIF, JPG image, a video, PNG image, a tweet, or virtual trading cards, or images of physical objects. It can be a NFT, but after minting. Okay, before the minting, it called as a digital art. Okay, so what is minting? Minting means when we upload our artwork to the Ethereum blockchain, it called as minting. Okay, now let's understand using of images. So here you can see what is NFT art. You can see here a image, a digital art piece, or a digital version of physical artwork. Okay, after uploading on a platform where we sell our NFT, for example Opensea.io, Nifty Gateway, and Foundation, these all the website where we can sell our NFT artwork. So you can see here a minted word. Minted means is minted on the blockchain. The term of the agreement are written in the smart contract. Okay, so minting a digital artwork is uploaded to the blockchain is called minting. Okay, and a smart contract, a self-executing contract. After minting our digital artwork is converted into NFT art, and a non-fungible token is generated. You can see here in the third image. After minting, our artwork is converted into NFT art. So the non-fungible token is certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. So I hope so you got it. And here we can see some website to sell NFT art. You can see here OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, Super Rare, Foundation, Rarible, Maker's Place, NFT Showroom, and Decentraland. These are the famous NFT artwork websites where we can sell our NFT artwork. Okay. Here you can see an example of most expensive NFT from CryptoPunk, which NFT name is CryptoPunk 9998, bought for 124457.07 ETH, means Ethereum. So the total into the USD is 532 million USD dollar in 20th October 2021. Okay, let me show you on the website where these NFTs exist. So here in our browser, in our Chrome, you can see here I am on the browser and I already opened OpenSea.io. Okay, so on this website we can sell our NFT artwork, OpenSea.io, and here you can see some options: explore, states, resources, create. Okay, so let's go on states and let's go on ranking. Okay, here you can see the ranking of the collections of NFT artwork. You can see here on the first number Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Okay, and after this Bored Ape Yacht Club, and let find CryptoPunks. You can see here this is CryptoPunks. So I am going to open this collection. You can see the URL OpenSea.io collection, then CryptoPunks. Okay, and how can we see the highest sell NFT? You can see here the total trade 778.0k volume traded. Okay, so this time people earning lots of money after selling the NFT artwork. Okay, and you can see here some options: search, single item, and open this item, and you can select highest last sell. Click on this highest last sell. Okay, you can see here highest last sell NFT from the CryptoPunks collection. You can see here CryptoPunk 998. This is the name of this NFT artwork, and you can see here 2 months ago Okay, you can see here on 28 October 2021 these NFTs sold out in 1,24,457.0675 Ethereum. Okay, it is the very huge amount. Okay, let's pick on the collection and then click on volume traded. You can click here. Okay, let's click. And you can see the recent activities here. You can see just 3 hours ago NFT sold out in 61 Ethereum. Okay, you can see into the dollar $1,96. Okay, $1,96,985.47. Okay, and here you can see just before 5 hours ago this NFT sold out in 63 Ethereum. Let's see 1 ETH to USD. So you can see here 1 ETH is equal to 3,233 USD dollar. Okay, so let's see the 62. You can see here. Okay, after 3 hours the value of ETH is increased in USD. The value of ETH up and down in every minute. Okay, so I hope you got this. Let's go back on our presentation. Okay, so we have already seen this NFT on Opensea.io. Now the next is, what is MetaMask wallet? Okay, when we create a collection on Opensea.io, we need a wallet. So the most popular wallet is MetaMask. So you are looking to start an NFT collection. In order to actually store your collectibles, a wallet is necessary. MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. In simple terms, once you buy Ethereum, you can access it through MetaMask and use it to purchase and store NFTs. Now that you know what MetaMask is, we will walk through a brief step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your wallet. Okay, when we will do practical, I will show you how can we use and how can we install MetaMask wallet on our account. Okay, so I hope you got this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. From the next videos, we will create artwork using a Photoshop. So using of Photoshop, we will create 10,000 plus NFTs, not the NFTs, we can say the artwork. Okay, we will create 10,000 plus artwork using a Photoshop. So after minting, that 10,000 plus artwork will call NFTs. Okay, so see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends, this is Mohammad Faizan. So in this video we are going to download the Photoshop and we can install the Photoshop for creating our digital art. So here you can search on Google Photoshop CS6 extended. Okay, after searching you will get lots of results. So from any result you can download the Photoshop, or you can also download the Photoshop from its official website, which name is adobe.com. okay, so but I will provide the setup of the Photoshop. You can see here this installer of Photoshop CS6 portable I will provide in this series, so you can download and install the Photoshop from here. Okay, so let's go back on our browser, and first of all I have already installed the Photoshop. You can see here I have Photoshop CS6 extended version. So we will create our digital art using of this Photoshop CS6 extended version. So here simply I will show you how can we create our digital art for our NFT. So the motto of teaching is that only you will able to create 10,000 plus NFT and you will upload 10,000 plus NFT automatically on Opensea platform. Okay, so here I'm going to take a free pick from, you can see here freepick.com. here I'm going to search Shiba Inu meditation. Okay, so you can see here we have some options, all free and premium images. So I'm going to take here free image, so I'm going to check on free. So you can see here I have this free image, so I'm going to copy this image. I'm going to copy image. Okay, and let's back on Photoshop and create here a new image. Which dimension I am going to take 800 into 800. Okay, and the background content will be transparent. Let's press OK, and here we can give a name of our file. So here I'm going to give Shiba. Okay, so now let's paste which file we have copied from freepik.com website, and you can see here I'm going to remove the background of this image. So how can do this? Simply select this tool. This tool name is Magic Wand tool. So select this and click on the background color and press delete from your keyboard. Okay, and again select this and press delete from your keyboard. Perfect. Okay, so now you can see here we have a simple image. Now what we can do with this image, we will use goggles and capes, and we will use different background colors for this digital art. So first let's save, apply, and save our file. Save as and Shiba, and you can see here a Photoshop .psd format, and I'm going to save this file on my desktop. Okay, it's saved successfully. So I hope you got this, what I have done in this video, and in the next video we will change the color of this image. Then we will add some hats and caps, and we will add the goggles on this image. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends, this is Mohammad Faizan, and in this video I'm going to teach you how can we change the color of the body. So in this video we are going to create 5 different layers for the body, and we will give different colors for 5 different bodies. So how can we do this? Simply you can see here layer 1. So we will create the duplicate layer of layer 1. How can we do this? Simply right click on this layer and go to duplicate layer, select duplicate layer and click on OK. So here you can see we have layer 1 and layer 1 copy. So you can see here we can enable the visibility of layers by enabling this eye icon. Okay, so you can see here I enable layer 1 copy, and I have selected this. I have not selected this, I have selected this layer 1 copy. So we can do any changes in this layer, not in this. Okay, so what we need to do, simply we need to change the color of our picture's body. So select image and go to adjustment, and here in adjustment we need to select hue saturation. Select this, and in hue saturation you can see we have 3 options. So in first option we can change the color of the body. Okay, so you can see this is blue now, and click on OK. But the brightness is high of this layer, so what we need to do, simply let's go again on image and again go on adjustment and select first option, brightness and contrast. select brightness and contrast. So here you can see we have two options, first is brightness and second is contrast. So I am going to give 100 for the contrast, and I need to reduce some brightness from here. So you can see, okay, you can see here, okay. So click on OK, and you can see we can give the name of this layer is blue, and first let's save. Perfect. So I hope you got this what I have done in this video. So we will continue for the next images in next video. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So let's continue our creating bodies for our digital art. You can see here in last video we have created two layers. Okay, one layer color name is orange, we can give the name is orange, and the second layer name we can give blue. Okay, so I'm going to give here blue body. Okay, and here I'm going to give orange body. Now just like this we can create more bodies with different color. So let's select this first orange body and create duplicate layer. Okay, and disable the visibility of blue body and enable the visibility of orange body copy, and again repeat that process. Let's go on image and let's go on adjustment and select hue saturation, and here we can change the color. We can give yellow color. Okay, so select yellow, and again we can adjust the brightness. Okay, and reduce the brightness of the image. Okay, so I think it's okay. So click OK, and we can give the name, right click and okay, don't worry, click 2 times on this layer for changing name. So here I'm going to give yellow body. Okay, press enter. Now we have 3 orange, yellow and blue. So again select orange. Okay, and right click and create duplicate layer. Okay, and visible the orange body copy, and again repeat the process. Go to adjustment and go to hue saturation, and we can choose any color from here. So I'm going to choose this green color. Okay, okay, and again repeat the same process. Select brightness and contrast, increase the contrast and decrease the brightness of our body, and click 2 times, and we can give that color name here. So this is green, so this is the green body. Press enter, and again select orange body for creating duplicate layer, and click duplicate layer and disable the visibility of green and enable the visibility of orange body color, and we need also to select this orange body copy for changing the color. Let's again go to image and adjustment and the hue saturation, and here, so here I'm going to give we can give here this is blue, this is violet, and this is I think pink. Okay, so okay, and again go to image adjustment and go to brightness and contrast and increase the contrast and adjust the brightness, and we can say reduce the brightness. Okay, now you can see here we have pink body. Okay, instead of orange we need to give here pink. Okay, so let's save our file first. Okay, and now you can see here we have blue body, and we have yellow body, and we have green, we have pink, and we have orange. Now from the next video I will create the background for this picture or for this art, and we will add some heads and caps on this image, and we will add some goggles. So I hope you got this. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question from the question answer section. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video I'm going to add the background color for our 5 images. You can see here we have 5 images. One is for blue, you can see here the first is for blue, second is for yellow, and third is green, and fourth is pink, and fifth is orange. So how can we add a background color for these images? So we will add 10 background colors. So how can we do this? Simply you can see here the icon create new layer. So I can click here and I can add a new layer. So let's down this layer from the 5 bodies. Okay, and just disable this and select this layer 1. Okay, and now we can select the color. Okay, first of all I am going to select this red color. Okay, and select this bucket tool and click on the background of this layer. So you can see here we have filled background color for layer 1. Now enable the visibility of our image. You can see here, perfect. Okay, just like this we can create 10 background colors layers. Okay, so how can we do this? Simply again we can create new layer. Okay, and inside the new layer we can fill the color. So disable this and select the color. So I am going to give gray color here. So click on background. Now just like this we can add again another color. So I can take violet color and fill. Perfect. So here we can give the name of the color. This is red, this is brown, and this is violet. Okay, and just like this we can create another color. So select this and disable the visibility of violet and click in the background. Okay, and give the name sky blue. Okay, and again create new layer and select background color. So which color I can take? Simple, I can take light pink. Okay, so let's fill. Perfect. I can give here light pink. Okay, and again create new layer and disable the visibility. 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5. Now let's 6 and select here, and we can select the light orange color, fill. Perfect. And we can give here the name light orange. Okay, and we can create new layer, and here we can give light blue color. Okay, sorry, this is light yellow. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 color. Now this is 8, and for the 8 color I can give light green. Okay, and fill, this is light green. Perfect. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 color. Now let's create 2 layers again, and here we can give dark green color, but dark green color, select this. Perfect. So we can give here dark green. Okay, and select this layer, and here I am going to give light blue color. Okay, so this is light blue. Perfect. Now we have 10 background colors. You can see here with different names. Okay, so you can see here, this is green, this is light green, and this is light yellow. Okay, and you can see this is light orange, and this is light pink, and this is sky blue, and this is violet color, and this is brown, and this is red. Okay, just like this we can change the visibility of the body of our picture. You can see here. Okay, perfect. I think light color is good, so select this red, and I am going to change the color here. I am going to give light red. Perfect. And it's okay, brown color is okay. So I'm going to give here the name light red. Perfect. So I hope you got this, what I have done here, how I add the background color for our images. Okay, perfect. So from the next video I will show you how can we add goggles and the caps and the hats. Okay, so see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in last video we have added 10 background color for our image. Okay, you can see here 10 background colors for our digital art. Now we are going to add goggles for our image or picture. You can see here, let's select our yellow body and let's go back on our browser and open. So you can see here you need to open this website freepik.com. okay, and here we can search set of goggles. Okay, So here we have lots of goggles, so we need to select free. Okay, and you can see here set of goggles, and let's remove set and search goggles only. Okay, so after searching, you can see here we have checked in free, so this is all free images we can use here in our digital art, or you can draw it from yourself. If you want to draw using a Photoshop, so you can draw, and you can create your design using a Photoshop. You can create or you can design your picture images as you want. Here I am just showing to you how can we use images and background colors, and how can we create 10,000 plus images using a Photoshop and other programming code. Okay, so if you want to create your own digital art, so you can create. You don't need to copy from the free pictures from this website. So I am just showing here for teaching purpose only. So let's open this, and I am going to copy this image, and let's back on Photoshop, and I am going to create new and click OK, and here I am going to paste Ctrl plus V. Okay, and select this tool, select background, and press delete from your keyboard. Okay, now remove this. Okay, and now right click and select rectangular, and I can select this. You can see here I'm using this tool, and this tool name is rectangular marquee tool. Okay, now Ctrl plus X for copy and cut the image from here. So I'm going to press Ctrl plus X. You can also use Ctrl plus C for copy. Okay, and let's back on our shiba.psd, and I'm going to paste here. Okay, so you can see here a new image is created automatically. So I am keeping this image or this layer just above the body. So select and resize this goggle. Okay, perfect. Apply. Now you can see here we have this goggle. Okay, and just like this we can copy, we can use this second goggle, Ctrl plus X and Ctrl plus V for paste, and just disable the visibility of layer 1, and let's set the position of this goggle, and we can resize according our requirement. Okay, so I can set this goggle using of keyboard keys. Perfect. Okay, now you can see here the layer 2, and just like this I can use this also. So I'm going to copy this from here and cut, and let's back here, and you can see here layer 1 and layer 2, and I'm going to paste Ctrl plus V, and the third layer is created automatically. Just disable the second layer and set the position of layer 3rd. Just resize the goggle and set the position of this goggle. Perfect. Okay, apply the transformation. Perfect. So you can see here we have added 3 goggles. So here I will add 20 goggles for this image. So I am showing to you how can we add goggles using free images. Okay, and you can add lots of goggles or other things as you want for this image. Okay, let's paste and disable the layer 3 and set the position, and we can resize the goggle also. Perfect. Now apply the transformation, and again let's select this and let's paste here and disable the layer 4 and set the position. Okay, perfect. Apply the transformation. Perfect. You can see here layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4 and layer 5. Just like this we can add lots of goggles on our digital art. Okay, so I will add 20 goggles here. So after adding 5 goggles here, I hope you will get the technique how can we add goggles in our digital art. So just like this you can add more goggles using this technique. So I hope you got this. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question. From the next video I will show you how can we add caps and heads on our digital art. So if you have any doubt you can ask me the question from the question answer section. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video I will show you how can we add heads and caps on our digital art. And you can see here we have created 10 backgrounds, you can see. Okay, and 5 bodies with different colors of Shiba Inu. And in last video I have shown you how can we add goggles on our Shiba Inu pictures. You can see here layer 1, layer 2, layer 3, 4 and 5. So this 5 layers we have added in last video. So I have added 20 goggles, you can see here, for this picture. So just like this we will add head and caps and other things for our Shiba Inu pictures. So simple. How can we do this? Simply let's go on our browser and let's go on our freepic.com, and here I can search set of heads. Okay, press enter, and here we will get this result, and we have checked free, so we can use these images free. Okay, so first to open this, and let's copy this image, right click and copy this image. Let's back on Photoshop and let's go on file, click on new, OK, and Ctrl+V for paste the image, and select this tool which name is magic wand tool, and click on the background to remove the background. So press delete from your keyboard. So you can see here we have deleted the background. Okay, so we can use some of caps and heads from this. So first of all I will copy this, Ctrl+X, and here I will paste. Okay, and I can increase the size Okay, apply. Perfect. Okay, so first hat is we have added. Now let's try second, and second I'm going to add this. Control copy and cut from here and paste here, and just disable the visibility of layer 21 and select layer 22 and enable the visibility. You can see here, and select this tool and set the position, and we can resize this. Perfect. Okay, so just like this we can add more head and caps, and let's back on our file and let's copy this, and no, let's copy this. Okay, copy and cut, and let paste here, and just disable the visibility of layer 22 and resize this image. And set the position. Perfect. Apply the transformation. Perfect. Now let's back on our image file, and we can choose this also. Select and paste here, and disable the visibility of layer 23, and increase the size. Set the position. Perfect match. Okay, and now let's back on our image, and we can also again select any image from here. So I'm going to select this, and let paste here. Disable the visibility of layer 24 and move this here, and just increase the size. Perfect. So just like this we can add 10 head and caps here, 10 heads and caps here. So I have added 5. You can see here layer 21. Just disable the visibility of layer 25, and you can see here the layer 21 and layer 22, layer 23, 24, and finally 25. And just like this I will add 5 more layers for the heads and caps. Okay, so the video will very long if I will add 5 more heads and caps here. So in this video I have shown you the technique how can you add the heads and caps in the googles using of freepik.com in your digital art. And after adding the 5 heads and caps, the heads and caps layers will be 10. So the total layers will be 10 plus 20, 30, 35, and 10, 45. So the layers we will have 45 layers. Okay, so from the 45 layers means from the 45 images we will generate 10,000 plus digital art and unique images for our NFT. So we will use a simple source code for generating 10,000 plus images. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me the question. You can add lots of things in this picture if you want to create something unique. So you can add more and more things as you want. Here I will show you only for giving the idea how can you create your own NFT. So best of luck. If you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me the question answer section. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in the last video we have added 5 caps. You can see here I have shown you how I added 5 caps for our Shiba Inu. You can see here from the layer 21, okay, and 22 and 23, 24 and then 25. After the 25 I have added more 5 caps for our Shiba Inu picture. You can see here. So now we have 10 caps and 20 goggles and 5 Shiba Inu bodies with different color and 10 backgrounds. So the total layer is 45. So now we are going to generate these layers into files, means into the images. So how can we do this? Simply here we need to go on file and we need to go on script, and inside the script we have an option which name is export layers to file. So select this and here a window is appeared. Here we need to select the folder in which folder we want to create our images. So let's browse, select D drive, and inside the D drive I have created a new folder which name is Shiba NFT. So select this Shiba NFT and you can see here option first file name prefix. So I am going to give here Shiba and it means visible layers only. If we want to generate only visible layers, you can see here if we check this checkbox then it will generate only this brown background, but we want to create all the layers into the file, so uncheck this. And here we have some options. Transparency, yes, we want to transparency, and here is the option trim layers, so uncheck this trim layers because we don't want to trim the layers. Now click on run to generate the layers into the file. So the process is start, you can see here. Okay, so now you can see here export layers to file was successful. So click on OK and let's open our folder from the D drive, and in the D drive we have the folder which name is Shiba NFT. Now you can see here we have 10 caps, goggles and Shiba bodies and the background. Okay, so I hope you got this. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in last video we have created our layers into the files, means into the images. You can see here we have 10 caps and heads and 20 goggles, 5 Shiba bodies with different colors and 10 backgrounds. So we can separate these all images into different folders. So first I am going to select the head and caps. Okay, now right click and copy and cut all the images of caps and heads, and right click and create new folder which name will be caps. Okay, and inside this folder I will paste all the caps. Okay, now let's back, and the same thing we will do with goggles. So select all 20 goggles and copy and cut from here and create new folder give the name. Okay, and inside this folder I will paste by pressing Ctrl+V all the goggles in this folder. Now the same thing I will do with the body, and now create new folder, and here I can give body the folder name, and inside this I will paste all the 5 bodies. And for the background I can do the same thing, cut and create new folder. Okay, and inside the background I will paste. Okay, and the next thing is that I need to change the name of all the backgrounds, so I can edit, rename the file, and you can see here this is light blue, and I need to remove this Shiba 003. okay, just like this I can do for this dark green. I need to remove Shiba underscore 0036 underscore, so the name is dark green of our image. So just like this I will do with all the background images, and just like this I will change. You can see here I will also need to change or rename the name. So this is the blue body, so I will remove this and I will keep the name blue body. Okay, and here I can also rename. Okay, yellow body. So the same process I will repeat for all the images, and just like this I will change the name of caps here. You can see here I will give the name of all the images, and just like this I will give the name of all the goggles here. Okay, so you need also do this thing because we will use this name in our properties for our collection. Okay, so I hope you got this. In next video you will see all the name of the images will change. Okay, so if you need to ask any question you can ask me. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So you can see here we have 4 folders, and in last video we have created these folders and we have keep all our images like background images in background folder. And you can see here I have changed the name of the background. You can see here brown, dark green, light blue and so on. Okay, just like this I have changed the name of goggles. You can see here every goggles have its name. You can see here blue violet, blue white, butterfly, colored black and so on. And just like this I have given the name for caps and heads. You can see here, and I have given the name of the body of Shiba Inu. So why I have given this name here, I will explain you in next videos. So I hope you got this, and I hope you can change the name of every image according to your needs. Okay, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this video I am going to tell you I have added 10 crowns except heads and caps. You can see here gold crowns, crown red crown, green red crown and violet crown. You can see why I add these crowns here, because 10 heads and caps are not sufficient to creating 10,000 NFT. So that's why I have added 10 more crowns except heads. Okay, so now we have 20 means 10 heads and 10 crowns means total 20. So we will generate crown layers into the images. So how can we do this? Simply we will use the visible technique So disable the visibility of the background, and now disable the visibility of body, and now disable the visibility of goggle. Okay, and now enable the visibility of crown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now we have 10 crowns, so we will export these layers into the image. Okay, so how can we do this? Let me show you. Let's go on file and go on scripts, and in scripts export layers to file. Okay, and you can see here we have already selected this folder Shiba NFT, and the prefix is Shiba. So okay, it's okay, and we will generate the visible layers only. So check this visible layers only and uncheck this trim layers. Okay, so click on run. So our export list to file was successful. Then okay, and let's open our folder Shiba NFT, and here you can see our crowns. So we can add it. Okay, we can remove this Shiba. So this is the name, diamond crown, and the same process I can do for second one and for third. This is gold crown, and this is green red crown, and this is violet crown, and this is white turban, and this is star crown. You can give any name as you want of your pictures. This is green gold crown, and this is blue. Oh, it's open, so cut this, and this is blue turban, and this is red crown. Okay, now let's copy all the 10 crowns and cut from here and paste in caps folder. We have caps and heads. Okay, now we have 20 items in this folder, and this folder name will be caps and crowns. Okay, so I hope you got this. Now we have 10 background, 5 Shiba Inu bodies with different colors, and 20 head and caps and crowns and turbans, and we have 20 goggles. So I think it is sufficient to generate 10,000 NFT. You can add more if you want. So this is enough in this video. So see you in next video. Welcome back, friends. So in this video I am going to tell you about the MetaMask. How can we install the MetaMask in our browser, and how can we configure in our browser for Opensea. So first let me open MetaMask website. Okay, so this is the official website of MetaMask, and let me open the Opensea. It is the platform where we can sell our NFT. Okay, it is the largest NFT marketplace, which name is Opensea.io. Okay, so simply how can we use, you can see here, here it's showing some wallet options, wallet connect, MetaMask, which is most popular, Coinbase wallet, and Formatic. So we are going to use MetaMask. So click on MetaMask, and you can see here the option download for the Chrome, iOS, and Android. Okay, so I am going to click on the install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, so the extension of MetaMask will aid in Chrome. So click on add to Chrome. It's checking, and add MetaMask, add extension. Okay, so you can see here it's downloading now. So MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Okay, so now cut this, and you can see here MetaMask. So welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to Ethereum and decentralized web. We are happy to see you. So here some most important thing I will tell you. So let's click on get started, and here you will get two options. First is for new installation, and second is for import wallet. It means your old wallet you can import from here. So first here we are going to create new wallet. Click on create new wallet. I will also tell you to import the old wallet. Okay, so here you need to click I agree, and here you need to set the password. Okay, okay, then check I have read and agree to the terms of use. Let's create. So now we can click on next. Okay, and the most important thing is your secret recovery phrase. Okay, so click here to reveal secret words. So let's copy this, and keep in mind this is the important lines. Okay, you need to keep secret these lines. You can keep these lines in your email address. When you recover your wallet, this line will necessary to recover your old wallet. Okay, if you lose these lines, then it means you will lose your all the Ethereum or all the digital money. Okay, so copy this line, and I am pasting here. Okay, then in next video I will tell you how can we use this line to import our wallet. Okay, now let's click on next, and here it's confirm your secret recovery phrase. How? First word you have loop area stereo. So click first loop area. Where is area? You can see, and then stereo. Now after this, Crouch girl require grace. So now crouch girl require grace. Okay, now minute 10 original strike prevent. Minute 10 original strike prevent. Okay, now let's confirm. All done. Perfect. So you can read all about it. Now your MetaMask is installed successfully. Now we can open MetaMask in our Opensea. Okay, so here I am on the Opensea website. Here is our MetaMask. Okay, here you can see your account. I have 0 ETH now because this is a new account, and this is your address, wallet address. You can copy from here, and let's go on Opensea, and Now you can see here you can log in from your MetaMask. Now let's connect. First we need to connect from Opensea to MetaMask. Let's connect. Now it's connecting. So you can see here your wallet address and you can add fund from here. Okay. So I hope you got this. What I have done here, this is our profile. We can create our Opensea profile or account from here. Okay, so this is unnamed now. I hope you got this. So from the next video I will tell you how can we import your old wallet if we lose our data or if our system is formatted. Okay, so there may be happen lots of thing from that you can lose your MetaMask wallet. So when you lose your MetaMask wallet, these Phares keys and your password is very necessary. If you lose these keys, then it means you lose your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this video I am going to show you how can we import your old MetaMask wallet if you lose or you uninstall from your browser. So here you can see the extension. Let's remove from Chrome. Okay, remove. I am showing to you if you lose or if you remove by the accident. Okay, so now here we don't have any MetaMask. Here is your profile. If you refresh, okay, log out first. Login. But here in your Chrome this time is not your MetaMask. Okay, so again it's asking for downloading the MetaMask in your browser. Okay, so simple steps we need to follow to import your old MetaMask. Install MetaMask for Chrome. Now click on Add to Chrome, add extension. It's downloading now. You can see again. It's heading to Chrome. Okay, MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Cut. And now refresh. Now get started and click on import wallet. This time we are importing your old wallet. Okay, import, and I agree. Now it's time this asking Phares, secret Phares. So this time this secret Phares is we need. It is very necessary. So copy this and paste here and set new password. I have a import. Congratulations, all done. Now you can read here from here. Okay, so this is your old wallet. We have imported. We have import from our secret Phares. Now click on MetaMask for Opensea login. First we need to refresh our Opensea. Okay, again it's asking perfect. Okay, so from here we can click again next to connect Opensea to our wallet. It's connecting now. Okay, so I hope you got this. How can we import our MetaMask wallet again to OpenSea. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. See you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this video I am going to show you how can we create a collection, a NFT collection on OpenSea.io. Simply you can see here I have open website which name is OpenSea.io, and here I have already logged in from my MetaMask account, and from this option you can see here here we have some options. Profile, you can edit your profile from this option, and you can go to create new collection from this option, and you can do settings from this option, and you can log out from this option. So we are going to create a new collection, that's why I need to click on this option which name is my collections. So click on my collection, and here I have some collection, but we are going to create a new collection, so we need to click on this button. You can see here create a new collection, so click, and when we are going to create a new collection it will ask, it means MetaMask will ask to sign in again. So simply we need to click on this sign button, and it show us a page where we can create our collection. So simply for creating a collection, here we need to use some images for our collection. So we have not created the images now, so we are adding some dummy images here. Okay, so you can see the dimension 350 into 350 recommended 50, and here we have body of Shiba Inu. So select any picture from here. Okay, for dummy purpose only, we will add the images in next videos. Okay, the original images for this. So you can see here now here we need to give the name of our collection. So our collection name will be Crypto Shiba. Let's see this name is available or not. So the name is already taken, so Crypto Shiba NFT. Let's see this name is available or not. Okay, this name is available, so Crypto Shiba NFT. So now here we need to, and here we need to give our link name. So our link will be OpenSea.io/collection then we can give here Crypto Shiba NFT. Okay, now it will check this name is available or not. So Crypto Shiba NFT, this is okay. Let's use hyphen. Okay, this URL is valid, this URL is available. Okay, and here we need to give the description. So we are going to give here some dummy Crypto Shiba NFT. Collection. Okay, and here we need to select the category, so we will select this collectibles. Okay, and here we can add some links, for example your website link, your Discord link, or your Instagram or your medium.com website link. Okay, and now here we can say the royalty of the creator will get the royalty, how much royalty the creator will get. So I am going to give here 10%. Okay, and here we need to give your payout wallet address. So I can copy, so here I can copy my wallet address. Okay, and here I can give, and I can paste my wallet address. Okay, and the blockchain we can select here. So we will upload our NFT, we will mint our NFT for free. So we will use Polygon, not Ethereum, because Ethereum blockchain, on Ethereum blockchain we will need to give some gas fees. So without any gas fees we need to use Polygon. Okay, and perfect. Now we can click on create. Let's create. So our collection is created successful, crypto Shiba NFT. You can see here. Okay. So I hope you got this what I have done here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. To creating the collection is very easy. From the next video we will generate generate 10,000 NFT using of NFT generator source code. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video I am going to download the Visual Studio Code. It is a code editor. This code editor we will use to write some code for generating 10,000 plus NFT. We don't need to write any code, we just need to edit some code and we can generate 10,000 plus NFT by using of those source code. Okay, so search Visual Studio Code, download, and from the first link you can see here we can download the Visual Studio Code for Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. Okay, and for Mac OS. So by clicking on this button I can download. You can see here a Visual Studio Code we can download, we can save here. So I have already downloaded it, you can see on my desktop. Okay, so simply you need to click 2 times for running the setup of Visual Studio Code, and you can see here you just need to accept the agreement and you will need to click on next. It is very easy step. You can install easily the Visual Studio Code. After installing you will see a shortcut icon on your desktop. Okay, so I hope you got this. From the next video we will start to create 10,000 plus NFT by using Visual Studio Code and a simple source code. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to download a simple source code, generate NFTs. From this source code we will create 10,000 plus NFT with properties and the metadata. You can see here the links of this source code. This source code is free and I will provide this link for downloading the source code to you. Okay, and you can see the steps. Okay, what steps we need to follow to install this source code and how can we use this source code to generate the NFTs. Okay, you can read here, but I will show you practically how can we create the NFTs. Okay, so there are lots of options we can use by using this of source code. So simply first here we can download by clicking on this button, and on the desktop, not on the desktop, I will use E drive, save, and let's go on E drive, and in my E drive I have downloaded it. Okay, so you can see here this generate NFT means. Now right click and extract here. Perfect. And now we need to find in the last, you can see here. Okay, and in the layers you can see there is nothing, and here we need to create some folders. Okay, now here we need to open the Visual Studio Code. So let's open the Visual Studio Code and we can open that source code in Visual Studio Code. So open folder, click open folder, and let's go in E drive. In my E drive the source code is residing. And simply this folder I need to open, generate NFTs -man. Let's open. Yes, I trust the author. Remove this, and here we need to put the layers. Okay, and let's go back on our installation process. So if you are cloning the project, okay, we have already downloaded the source code, we don't need of this line. Go to root of your folder and command, you have yarn install. So first what we need, first we need to install Node.js. okay, so we have opened this source code here in our code editor, which name is Visual Studio Code. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. In next video we will download the Node.js and we will install in our system for running this source code. Okay, and then we will follow these steps. Okay, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So let's start downloading the Node.js. Let's go back on our browser and you can read here. Alternatively, you can run this command if you have Node installed, but we have not installed any Node. So first what we need to do, simply we need to download the Node.js download. Search Node.js download and go on first option or first link, and from here we can download the Node.js for your window. Okay, so the window installer I can download from here, and in E drive I will download it. It is 27.1 MB setup. Simply we can run. Now it's downloaded successful, show in folder, and inside the folder we can run the setup. Okay, so it's taking time to open. Now we can see directly in our folder. So here you can see, and we can search, you can see here this is Node. So by double clicking we can install this setup. So you can see here it's preparing for installation, and welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. So click on next and accept terms in the license agreement. Click next and click next, then again next, and we can check this and now install. So it's installing now, and after installing we can perform other instructions. So it is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So click on yes if you are using Windows 8 or 10. Okay, now it is installing. So Node.js has been successfully installed in our system. Let's click on finish. Press any key to continue. Okay, now let's cut this and open our Visual Studio, and here let's click new terminal. Okay, and open config.js and man.js. okay, and simply you can see here the path E drive, and inside the E drive we are in generate NFTs.man. so here what we need to do is simply let's see on website of GitHub. You can see here, go to the root of your folder and run this command if you have any yarn install. Alternatively, you can run this command if you have not installed. So we have installed a node, so we are going to run this command, install and npm install. So copy this and let's pick on our Visual Studio Code and paste here, npm install, and press enter. Now see what is going on. So now you can see here it is installing all the components which is required to generate NFTs. Okay, so we just need to wait for a few minutes. So it's completed, and let's back on our browser and see what we need to do. Now we don't need to do anything here. Okay, you can see here create generative art by using Canvas API in Node.js. Before you use the generation engine, make sure you have Node.js installed. Okay, so we have already installed our Node.js, and in the next video we will create our digital art images, means unique images. Okay, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in last video we have downloaded Node.js and installed successfully in our system. So you can see here the steps for using this source code, or we can say the engine for creating NFT, and simply here we can read the steps we need to follow to creating the NFT art. Okay, and you can see here it's saying we need Node.js, so we have download and installed already. Then some dependencies we need to install. So after the Node.js we have download and install the Visual Studio. You can see here the Visual Studio Code, and open the source code in Visual Studio Code. You can see here. Okay, and after downloading and installing the Visual Studio Code, we have run this command. We have run this command. Simply we have opened a new terminal, and in this terminal we have run that command for installing the dependencies. Okay, now what I need to do after all these steps, we can read here. Simply you can see here, when you are ready, run the following command. Your outputted art will be in the build/images directory, and the JSON in the build/JSON directory. Okay, so for creating our art, 10,000 art, we need to run this commands node index.js. okay, and you can see here the format of metadata.json file. Okay, so let's open our Visual Studio Code, and here in this src folder we have two files. One is config.js and second is main.js. so here we have main.js. In main.js we can edit some code. So we want to mint our NFT in 0.01 ETH, not 0.05. so that's why I am giving here 0.01. okay, and the supply quantity is 1, and the blockchain will be Polygon because there is no gas fees. Okay, and we can save this file by pressing Ctrl+S. okay, just like this we can edit on config.js, and here some code we need to edit. You can see here we can define the name of our NFT. so our NFT name will be Crypto Shiba. okay, so Crypto Shiba, and here we need to put the description. So let's back on our collection, and here we have wrote small description. You can write your own. Okay, so copy, and I can give here, I can paste the description: Crypto Shiba 10,000 NFT, Crypto Shiba 10,000 NFT collection. Okay, and here we need to give the base URL of our source code. So our source code, let's see, and inside the E drive, so you can see here we have placed the folder in E drive, and in E drive we have generate -nfts-main. So copy this. There is no build folder. Okay, so let's select and copy this and remove this and paste here. Okay, and remove this slash and use this. Okay, and after this we need let's open first the browser and let's go on GitHub website, and you can see here build /images. So copy this, and inside this folder our images will generate it. So paste here. Okay, you can see here E drive, generative NFTs main, and then the build folder, then images, and use again a slash here. Okay, and so here in external link name we need to give, and we need to define a simple link. As we want, we can give here the Twitter link or Instagram link or your website link. Okay, so I am going to give my another collection link here, Twitter account link here. You can see here the profile link. I am going to copy this, and I am going to paste here. Okay, and the collection name, we need to give the collection name here. So our collection name is Crypto Shiba NFT. I am going to copy this, and let's back on our Visual Studio Code and give the collection name here. Okay, and here we need to give our MetaMask address. So I copied and I am going to paste it here. Okay, perfect. Now let's save. You can see here we have given the name of our digital art, and we have defined the description and the base URL where we will get the images, generated images, and we have given the link of Twitter here and the collection name here. Let's save, and after this you can see here what we need to give here. Simple, here we need to give our folders name, image folders name. So I hope you got this, what I have done in this tutorial. From the next tutorial we will generate the digital art, unique digital images. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me the questions. What steps I have followed in previous video, let me explain again. Simply, I have downloaded this source code. You can see here from the GitHub, and after downloading the source code I have downloaded the Visual Studio Code for using or for opening this source code, and for using or for running this source code we need node.js. So we have downloaded node.js from the internet and installed in our system. After installing the node.js we have run this command after opening the terminal of Visual Studio Code. You can see here the terminal. Okay, for installing the dependencies for node.js. Okay, after this we have what we have done. Simply you can see here we have do some changes, or we can say we have done some changes here. For our metadata we have give the name, what name we want for our NFT, and we have give the description and base URL and our Twitter account a link here and our collection name. Okay, so I hope you got this. If you have doubt you can ask me the question. Okay, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to generate 10,000 NFT using of this source code. you can see here in previous videos we have added this metadata information. Like you can see here, I have added the name of our digital art image and the description and the base URL where we will get our all images. Okay, all the 10,000 images will generate into this images folder. Then here I have added the Twitter link. You can add any link as you want, and here I have give the collection name, NFT collection name. And after one thing is that we can add here the folders which we have created using a Photoshop. That folder contains our layers images, so we will add here. And one most important thing you should remember, our image dimension is 800 into 800. So here we need to change. Here is default 512, so here I am going to give 800 instead of 512. Okay, let's save. And now you can see here we have layers folder, so here we need to copy and paste that all folder of images. So let's go in our Shiba NFT folder, and here we have 4 folders. In first folder we have 10 backgrounds, and in second folder we have 5 bodies with different colors of Shiba Inu, and here is the third folder which is caps and crowns. And in this folder I have added more 10 crowns and turbans because these images was not suitable for creating 10,000 NFT. Now we can create 10,000 NFT using of these images. Okay, and in the last and fourth folder we have 10 goggles, not 10, 20 goggles. Okay, so you can see here this is the properties. Okay, and now let's select all and copy, and let's go on our E drive and generate NFTs man, and in layers folder let's paste all that 4 folders. Okay, you can see here. Now let's open our Visual Studio Code, and you can see here in layers we have background, body, caps and crowns and goggles, and here we need to give this folder's name. Now we have in first we have background, and in second we need to give body, and in third we need to give caps and crowns. Double check the spelling. You can double check the spelling before running the script. Okay, caps and crowns, you can see here the spelling. And the fourth one is goggles. Okay, so we have only 4 folders, so we don't need of this 3, so I am commenting this. Okay, now let's save, and you can see here 100 means it is a default value. 100 images will generate it. Okay, now let's try. We will generate 10 first, then we will generate the 10,000. Save and open the terminal. Okay, now let's back on our browser, and you can see here our GitHub website, and here you can read. When you are ready, run the following command and your outputted art will be in the build/images directory and the JSON in the build/JSON directory. So we can run any of them, so I prefer this node index.js. Let's copy, and in the terminal I will paste that command. Now I am going to press enter from my keyboard. Okay, and let's see it is started or not. Okay, it's creating. You can see here. Okay, a build folder is automatically created. Inside the build, images and JSON folder is automatically created, and in images we can see our images, and in JSON folder we can see the JSON file. Let's open this JSON file, and inside the JSON file you can see the metadata and the properties. Okay, and now let's go back on our layers folder and open build and see the images. Okay, and now open this first. Perfect. Okay, you can see it's perfect. This is the second, and this is the third and fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9 and 10. Okay, just like this we can create 10,000 plus images. And this is first, and open our Visual Studio, and you can match the properties from the first image and the first JSON file. You can see the background is violet and body of Shiba Inu is green body, caps and crown is white turban. You can see the white turban, and goggle, you can see here goggle is in properties violet. Okay, so it's perfect. I hope you got this what I have done here. Let's cut, and we will create 10,000 images in next video. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So now in this video we are going to create 10,000 digital unique art images. Okay, in last video we have created 10 images, unique images for NFT with its metadata and its properties with JSON file. Now let's start to creating 10,000 digital art images. Okay, let's cut this JSON file and let's back on our folder, and you can see here in E drive generate NFT main build and in images. First I am going to delete this 10 images. Okay, and just like this I am going to delete all the JSON files. Okay, so it's showing us the action can't be completed because the file is open in another program. So cancel this and open Visual Studio Code, and where it is open. Okay, so cut this editor, and now again open the folder and again try to delete this. Perfect. Now our folder is empty of images and the JSON. Okay, so now let's back on our Visual Studio Code, cut this terminal, open new terminal. Okay, and here we need to increase the numbers. So we are going to generate 10,000 and give here 10,000 instead of 10. Okay, and now here we need to write the command node index.js. Simple. Now I am going to press enter and let's see it's creating or not. Okay, it's created 10 because we did not save the file. Go back on build folder in images, delete, $10,000. Now let's save the file, and here we need to write node space index.js. Now press enter. Okay, perfect, it is creating. So here we need to wait until it's completed. Let's see the folder of images. You can see here Okay, it's generating. Let's open any one of them and see the output. Perfect. Okay, so cut this and wait until it's completed. So our 10,000 digital images is created successful. We can see in the folder, we have this folder, you can see here, from 1 to 10,000. Okay, so we have, you can see here 10,000 digital art images. Okay, and just like this we have our JSON file. In the JSON file we have the metadata of all images and the properties. Okay, I hope you got this. If you have any doubt you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video I am going to show you how can we create or how can we design banner for our NFT collection. You can see here a blank space for banner, and you can see here a circle for logo. So we will create a GIF animated logo for our collection logo, and we are going to create or design this banner using a Photoshop. Okay, so let's click on edit. You can see here I have already logged in from my MetaMask account. You can see here. Okay, and here is our collection crypto Shiba NFT, and let's click on edit. And here you can see we can change the logo image. Okay, and you can see here banner. So let's go on Photoshop for creating our banner. You can see here the dimension we will need to creating our banner, 1400 and 400. Okay, let's open Photoshop, go to file, create new, and here we need to give 1400 and 400, and here I am going to give Shiba NFT banner. Okay, save this file. Okay, and we will save this file from here. Okay, and now create new layer, and in layer 1 I will fill the color, background color. Okay, perfect. After filtering the color, after filling the color, let's go on filter and go to noise, add noise, and we can increase or decrease the noise from here. Okay, perfect. Then okay, and now let's open our NFT images. Let's go in PC and let's go in eDrive, and let's go and generate NFT as main, and go to in build and go to in images. Okay, here I am going to open 5 images. Okay, green, pink, orange, blue and yellow. Okay, these 5 images I have selected. Let's open. and select this tool, remove this and drag this and select this option and drag this here. And let's reduce the size. Okay, perfect. Now first let's cut this, and remember one thing, save changes to the Adobe Photoshop document, so click on no. Okay, you should not click on yes. I am going to click on no. Perfect. Okay, now again I need to resize the image. Perfect. Okay, apply, and just like this I will remove the background of this image and I will drag this image to our and let's cut this and don't save this and resize this. Okay, perfect. Just like this we can add more. This third, remove the background and cut this and click on no, resize this. Perfect. Apply. Okay, and select the second one, remove the background, select this and we can drag in our, cut this and click on no and resize this image. Perfect. Apply, and we have left only one. Remove the background and we need to drag this here, cut this, click no and resize the image. Perfect. Okay, apply. So I think you got this. What I have done here, simply I have designed a simple banner for our NFT collection. Now let's save this, save as, and first I'm going to save in PSD format, in which location you can see here and inside here. Okay, click OK, and again I will save this in PNG format. So here I need to select PNG Okay, and I am going to save this on my desktop. Save. Perfect. Now let's add our banner for our NFT collection. Select this and let's go on desktop, and on desktop you can see here we have our banner. Select this and perfect. Okay, and now let's save our collection, submit changes. Okay, and update it. Now let's back on our crypto Shiba NFT, and you can see here our image. Perfect. Okay, I hope you got this what I have done here. Now we will create a GIF animated logo for our NFT collection. So I hope this is enough in this video. We will continue in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in the last video we have designed a banner for our NFT collection. Now in this video I am going to create or design this animated logo in the format of GIF. Okay, so how can we create? Simply here we have our website. From this website we will create, and we can create free GIF images. Okay, you can see the name ezgif.com here. Okay, and now let's click on GIF maker, and here we need to choose some pictures. So click on choose files. So we will choose from our NFT collection, and now let's come back on E drive, and inside the E drive let's open generate NFT man, and let's open build, and let's open images, and here from here I'm going to select 5 different images. So select first, second is green, orange, blue and yellow. So 5 images I have selected. Okay, now click on upload and make GIF. So it's generating a GIF file, an animated GIF file using of 5 images. Okay, you can see here you can remove or skip any images, but I am not going to remove any image from here. Okay, and now let's make GIF, and let's see what is the output. Perfect. Okay, and the size we need 350 into 350. So here in our collection you can see here in edit, let's go in edit, and for logo we need the dimension is 350 into 350. So here our image dimension is 800 into 800. So let's go on resize, and here we need to give width and height of our image. Now let's give 350 and 350. Now click on resize image. It's resized successful. Okay, now we can save the GIF image. Click on save button, and let's save this on desktop. The name is ezgif.com GIF maker. Save. Okay, now our file is downloaded successful, and let's go on Opensea, and in our collection here we can change this image. Select and open easy GIF. Perfect. Now let's save our collection, submit, update it. So our collection is updated. Now let's back on our collection and see the output. Perfect. Okay, you can see here. So just like this you can create your own banner for your collection, and you can create GIF image for your logo using this website. This website is very awesome, ezgif.com. You can see here the name. Okay, so I hope this is enough in this video. We will continue from the next video. Hi, welcome back friends. In previous video we have successfully created 10,000 images, unique digital images for our NFT. You can see here from 1 to 10,000. okay, this is a unique digital images for our NFT we have successfully created in previous videos. Now we are going to upload that images to Opensea. So how can we upload these images automatically in bulk? So we need so we can use this application which is built in Python programming language. This application is free to use and we can download that application from the GitHub. So you can see here the link github.com and this link. So from this link we can open and download this application. I will provide this link and I will also provide this application. Okay, so simply you can read about this application from here and we can download this application from here. So let me show you updation of this application. Okay, you can read about this and what the steps we need to follow we can read from here. So you can see here the steps. So in the first step we need to download the application, and the second step we need to download the Python and we need to install the Python, and the version you can see here is 3.8.10. okay, and let's follow these instructions. First we will download the application and in the second video we will download the Python and install in our system. So let's go for downloading this application. So from here we can download. So I'm going to download from this button, click on download.zip, and in this directory in local disk E I'm going to download this bulk upload to Opensea-main. Let's save. It's downloading now. You can see here it's downloaded successful. Okay, and let's open our E drive. Okay, and in E drive you can see this application. Right click and extract here and delete this. Okay, now you can see here in the last this application, this is folder src, and inside the src you can see some images, dummy images, and in JSON you can see here the dummy file of JSON. Okay, so this application is different for uploading our NFT to Opensea, and in previous video we were using this application or this source code. You can see here generate NFT man. So here we have two different source code. First source code is for creating the digital art, 10,000 digital art we have created using this application generate -NFTs-man. Now in this video we have downloaded this application bulk upload to Opensea-main. okay, so from this application we are going to upload automatically 10,000 images to Opensea to Polygon network. Okay, so don't be confused. Here we are using two different application. So I hope you get this. In next video we will download the Python setup and we will install in our system. Okay, so why we are going to download the Python? Because this application is built in Python, so that's why we need the Python. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to download Python and we will install the Python in our system. You can see here the second instruction. So we are going to follow the second instruction of these instructions. So search download Python. Okay, so from the first website you can see here python.org. You can open this link, download Python, and the latest version of Python we can see here. So this is the website of python.org for downloads, and you can see here the latest version for Windows. Let's click on download Python 3.10.3. so you can see here it is the latest version of Python 3.10.3, and we can save this. Okay, so it is 27.1 MB, but I will install the previous version of the Python. Okay, so you can see here, just like this you can download the latest version, but I will provide you the setup of Python. I have already downloaded some Python setup for different version. Is 3.7, 3.7.9 and 3.86 and 3.8.10. okay, so here I'm going to install this version, okay, not the latest. You can download any of them, okay, so don't worry. Let's click, but we need to install the greater of this version 3.8.10. okay, so check this 8 Python 3.82 path, okay, and install. You can see here, remember this path, click here, and do you want to allow this application to make changes to your device? Yes, and the Python is installing. So you can see here setup was successful, and we can click on close button. Okay, and now let's open our Visual Studio and open the terminal, new terminal, and we can type here Python version. So you can see here Python is 3.8.10 we have installed successful. So what we need to do, let's open our browser and let's back on our GitHub, and here you put all the NFT images into the folder and SRC images. Okay, and after this we need to open the terminal and we need to install pip install our requirement. So this all thing we will do in next video. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can ask me the question. See you in next video. Welcome back friends. So the next step we will follow, and the next step we need to put all the NFT images into folder. In which folder? In SRC and images. So here we have our application. You can see here, here we have the folder which name is SRC, and inside the SRC we have two folder, images and JSON, just like generative art node main. Okay, so first select these two folders and delete this. Okay, so I'm deleting by pressing the delete key from the keyboard, and I'm going to open E drive again, and inside the E drive we have our NFT or digital art images and generative art node main, or we can say its name is generate NFT main. Okay, so generate NFTs main, open this, and in build folder we have our images. You can see we have 10,000 images and we have 10,000 JSON files. Okay, so both the folders we need to copy. Okay, so select all, means select two folder, and let's copy this folder and let's go in our SRC. Open this SRC. Which SRC? You can see here in local disk E, in bulk upload to Opensea main, and inside the SRC folder we need to paste these two folder. Okay, paste this, and it pasting. So it's 2.2 plus GB folders, so it's taking time to paste, so we need to wait. So it's completed now. We can see here the images in this folder, bulk upload to Opensea main and SRC images, and we have copy and pasted these all 10,000 images in this folder. Okay, you can see here just like this we have now the JSON files, 10,000 JSON files. Okay, so what the next step we need to follow, we will open this application in our Visual Studio Code, and we will open the terminal, and we need to run this some commands. Okay, so we will do in next video. So see you in next video. Welcome back friends. So the next step is, you can see here, open this project folder with any code editor. So we have Visual Studio Code, and we need to open the terminal or PowerShell, and we will need to run this some commands. Okay, we need to install pip for Python. Okay, and now let's open our Visual Studio Code, and first let's close this close folder. We don't need now generate NFT man. Now we need to open the Python application. So go to file and click on open folder, and in open folder first let's cut this. Again go to file and click on open folder, and inside the E drive, from E drive, in E drive we have our application. So let's go inside the E drive, and inside the E drive you can see here we have this folder, bulk upload to Opensea man. So select this folder. Okay, and it's opening here, cut this. Okay, and you can see here we have such files: upload fixssl.py and upload-capture.py and upload.py and upload18.py. so it is updating files. This guy first published this file upload.py, then this, and then this, and now this is the latest file, okay, of Python. So you can see here the Python code. Okay, we don't need to do anything in this code, we just need to run this code to upload our images, so don't be worried. Okay, and now go on terminal and open the new terminal, and you can see here our terminal is open. And let's go back on our browser, and here you can see we need to run this command. So copy this, pip install, copy, and let's back on our Visual Studio Code and paste here. Press enter from our keyboard, and okay, so the term pip is not recognized as the name of cdlet function, script file or operable program. Check the spelling of name. So try again. Okay, so don't worry, and it's saying please install pip for Python. If pip is not recognized as an internal or external command, run the script type python upload.py. okay, so copy this and paste this and press enter. Okay, so you can see here its application is open. Okay, and we can select all the things from here, cut this and open this, and so you can see here the application GUI. okay, so we will upload all the images using of this application. I hope you get this. We don't need to write any code in Python, we just need to use this application. How can we use this application? I will show you in next videos, so don't worry. See you in next video. Hi, welcome back friends. So in this video we are going to run our application. In last video we have successfully opened the GUI of our application by running a simple command using, you can see here, python upload.py. okay, so here we have our Visual Studio Code. Okay, and if we run this command python upload.py, our GUI is appear. You can see here. Just wait for a moment, it will open. Okay, it's open now. You can see here we need to fill out some fields. Okay, I will explain each and everything here, don't worry. And first minimize this and let's read about the instructions. Okay, so once running, the script will pop up the application. Fill in the variables for your project upload properties. Okay, we will fill, but before this you need to see here change log, the latest version 1.8.8, and the file name is upload /captcha.py, because there are some restrictions on Opensea website. In every 10 NFT, after uploading every 10 NFT, a captcha is appeared from the side of Opensea, not from the application. Okay, so for resolving this, this guys added and upload this file which name is upload _captcha.py. okay, and 8 Chrome extension Buster captcha solver for humans. So we need to add this captcha plugin for our Chrome browser. First let's run our application, open our application. It's already open, but I am going to open using upload _captcha.py. okay, so type python space and paste upload captcha.py. okay, and here you can see a button open Chrome browser. Here we have already opened a Chrome browser from where we are reading from the github.com, but if I click on this button open Chrome browser, it will open a new Chrome browser for us. On that new Chrome browser all the work will done. Okay, so open this Opensea.io here. Okay, and what I have need to do, simply let's open this, and you can see here we need to add this. Okay, so copy this link, copy link address, and let's open our browser. First cut this, okay, and here open a new tab, paste this and add this extension in our Chrome browser. Add to Chrome, add extension. The name of the extension is Buster Captcha Solver for Humans. Okay, and Buster Captcha Solver for Humans has been added to the Chrome. So cut this just like this. Here we need to add our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so open MetaMask here. Okay, you can see here we have two Chromes. This Chrome, on this Chrome browser I have opened the github.com, and this Chrome you can see here for our NFT uploading. Okay, so here we need to install our MetaMask wallet. Okay, and but here in this Chrome you can see I have already MetaMask. Okay, so we are using a different Chrome using of that application of Python. So click on MetaMask. Now click on download now and install MetaMask for Chrome. Now add to Chrome, add extension, it's downloading, you can see here. Now you can see here it's adding to Chrome a MetaMask wallet for us. So perfect, MetaMask has been added to Chrome. Okay, cut this and pin this and pin this. Okay, now let's refresh this. Okay, and here in Opensea we need to log in, or we need to add our MetaMask, and here it is asking for install MetaMask again, but we have already installed, so it will ask for add your old MetaMask, or you will install a new. So we are importing our old MetaMask, not creating new. So click on get started, and here we will get two options. From here we can create new MetaMask wallet, and from this option we can import our old MetaMask. So click on import wallet, and here help us improve MetaMask. Okay, now I agree, and here I need to give or enter your secret recovery phrase. Okay, so let paste, and here after filling the secret recovery phrase, here I need to set a new password. Okay, check this. I have read and agree to the terms of use. Now click on import. Congratulations, all done. Now click on all done. Perfect. Cut this, and now open our account. Okay, so let's refresh our Opensea.io, and let's connect our MetaMask wallet to Opensea account. So how can we do this? Simply refresh our Opensea.io, and now click on my collection. Okay, now it's asking for sign in using of MetaMask. Okay, we have already signed in, so now it will asking for connect with MetaMask. This time our MetaMask wallet is not connected to our Opensea account, so we will need to click on next for connecting our MetaMask wallet to Opensea account. Now let's click on next button and click on connect. Perfect. Okay, now here we have our collection. Now click on our collection, crypto Shiba NFT. Okay, now cut this all tabs. Now we have our NFT collection. Okay, so from this button we can create an NFT. So now what we need to do, we will learn in next video. I hope it is enough in this video, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So you can see here our application we can run using of this command. Okay, and if we go on our website, means on github.com, you can see here some instructions. Duration support added, maximum duration is 6 months. Please install pip install python date util. So we need to run this command also, and you can see here PC date format must set to month date in here. So you can see here my date format is first then day 19, means you can see a 19 March 2022. Okay, so you can right click and you can go adjust date and time, and you can set the format of date and time from here. Okay, just like this. So copy this and let's open our Visual Studio, and first let's cut this application and paste here, pip install python.util and press enter. Okay, so the term pip is not recognized. Okay, let's run our application. Let's see it's working or not. Maybe it's already installed using of the first command. So minimize this, and after this, okay, so now open this, and now let's see what we need to do here. So first of all, let's open our collection, and you can see here we have opened this create, and first we need to copy this link from our collection. Okay, and I need to paste this here, and start number, our NFT is 1 to 10,000. okay, so from 1 to 10,000 we need to upload, and the default price I will give here 0.001. okay, and here I am going to give the name Crypto Shiba. okay, and description I can copy from my collection, right click and open a new tab. Okay, so Crypto Shiba NFT collection, copy this and open this Shiba NFT collection. Now the format of our image is PNG, and time duration we can select here. If you want to list your NFT for 5 months, you can select this, or 6 months you can select this. okay, and take this complete listing, and we are using Polygon blockchain, so we need to check this checkbox. okay, and from here we need to select our image folder. okay, so where is our images? You can see here in E drive. First let's back. okay, and we are in E drive. You can see here inside the E drive we need to open bulk upload to Opensea man, and inside we need to open SRC. okay, and select this path. okay, select folder up to SRC. perfect, and now save this form. And we have already opened the Chrome. You can see here from this button we can open again, and we can start from this button. Now let's start it's working or not. If there is any problem we need to resolve it. Now click on start. So you can see here it is automatically working. I am not doing anything. You can see the mouse here, it's automatically putting the properties from the JSON file, and you can see here is a captcha, so we need to click on I am not robot and mountain or hills. So we need to select mountain and hills from here. okay, now verify. It is from the Opensea, not from the application. Opensea applies some restrictions because there are lots of bulk NFT upload here. okay, but all the work is automatically here. You can see it's automatically select the date. okay, so here we have got some error. Listing price must be greater than $5. okay, so open our application, and here we need to increase the range, so I'm going to give 3 here. okay, now save the form, and back to our collection. and let's add it, and now let's delete this NFT. Okay, perfect. Okay, there is no any NFT. So now let's go back on our application, and we have increased the price. So the default price is 0.003 Ethereum. Now save the form and let's again start, and let's see the activity. Okay, you can see here it's automatically working. It's filling the name Shiba, crypto Shiba 1, and it's fill out the description, and now that it's filling the properties automatically. It's again a captcha. Okay, we have add a plugin, so using of date plugin the captcha resolve automatically. You need to keep eye open when it is uploading. Okay, so now it is selecting the date, and this is the first NFT, so we need to unlock the selling functionality, okay, at the first time. Now sign in. Transaction successful. Now click on sign in. This is the collection first NFT, that's why it's asking unlock the selling functionality. From the second NFT it will not ask it again. Okay, so sign in again. Perfect, congratulations, your NFT is listed. Oh, you have listed crypto Shiba 1. Now let's cut this. Perfect, you can see here our collection name crypto Shiba NFT, crypto Shiba 1, and the price is 0.00 Ethereum. Okay, so now let's go on our application. We have uploaded first NFT, so you can see here 1. So now we need to start from 2, so that's why we need to change the number from here. So here I need to give 2 because we want to upload the NFT which number is 2. Save this form again and start. Now you can see here it is automatically uploading the NFT crypto Shiba 2, and it's filled the Shiba NFT collection, and it's filling the properties automatically. Perfect, so the captcha is automatically resolved. It is from the side of Opensea.io, not from the application. Okay, it's selecting date automatically. You can see here we are uploading our NFT for 6 months. You can see here it's not asking for unlock in the second time, it is only asking for the sign in. Okay, so just wait, it will sign in automatically after a few seconds. Okay, it depends on your internet speed. It's take time because sometime your internet speed may be slow. So this application is designed for uploading the NFT automatically. Okay, now it's uploading the third. Second NFT is completed automatically uploaded, and now it's uploading the third crypto Shiba, and it is automatically filling the properties. Now again captcha, but it will resolve using of our plugin, captcha plugin. Okay, So just like this you will face some problem from captcha, otherwise it will work automatically. You need to open your eyes. Okay, now cut this, and I think again we need to start. First we need to go and give here price, select the range, perfect. Now let's back and let's start from the fourth. Okay, save this form and start. Perfect. You can see here from the captcha plugin, our captcha problem is solved now. It's working perfect now. Sometime maybe the captcha will create the problem, so you will need to resolve it, and all the work will do automatically, don't worry. Okay, so just like this you can upload your 10,000 plus NFT on your collection. Okay, otherwise you can keep, otherwise you can use Minnie Mouse macro, which I have taught in last series. You can see also that series where I have taught about the Photoshop, and I have teach to create the skull face, and in that series I have shown you how can we use Minnie Mouse macro and Excel sheets. So guys, you can see here we have uploaded 10 NFTs using of this application, but every time we face the captcha, so the captcha problem is resolved using of that plugin we have installed from the GitHub website. So you need to see the process every time for resolving the captcha problem, because there are millions of NFTs uploaded at a time. That's why Opensea apply the captcha. Okay, so you can upload your NFT using of this method. This method is very easy, and just like this you can upload 10,000 plus NFT, but it will take 3 or 4 days if you upload 10,000 NFT. So you can see again captcha is appearing, and it is resolving automatically using of the plugin of Chrome plugin. And so the solution you will get if the GitHub community will update this application. Okay, so now it's 11th NFT. Perfect. You can see here it's working automatically, and now it's okay. So Again, it's taking few time because this process takes some time due to it depends on your internet speed connection. Okay, so if your uploading is stopped, then you can again start this uploading from the 12th. If you, for example, if your uploading will stop from the 11th, then you can start from the 10th. Okay, so cut this and open this application, and you can see the collection here. Let's back on our collection, Crypto Shiba NFT, and here you can see our floor price is 0.003 Ethereum, and we have uploaded 11 NFTs. Perfect, it's awesome. Okay, we got 2 likes here, you can see. Okay, and 2 more likes here. Okay, you can see when we are uploading the NFTs, 2 more here. You can see the properties here, but it will update it after some time, so you can see this collection. Okay, and you can continue. Just stop this application, cut this, close the program, and open. Okay, now you can start, and you need to start from the 12 because we have uploaded 11th NFT. Okay, and if we click on start, it will start from the 12th, you can see here. Okay, and okay, you can see here Crypto Shiba 12, and it will fill the description and it will fill the properties automatically from the JSON file. Okay, again capture is appearing from the Opensea, and perfect. So we have successfully uploaded 12 NFTs using of this application. If we upload so perfect guys, I hope you got this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in previous video we have uploaded 13 NFT in our collection using of that application. So you can use that application for uploading 10,000 plus NFT, and if you face any problem, you can ask me the question and you can update it on the GitHub community for that application. You can see this link. I will share this application and all the links in this series. Okay, and you can see I have updated or uploaded this NFT on Opensea collection. It is looking awesome, and we get automatically some likes. You can see here when we are uploading this NFT, and if I open this NFT, we can see the properties of this NFT, and you can see here the sale end on September 19, 2022, and we can see the description and we can see the properties of this NFT here. Background light yellow, body green body. You can see here background is light yellow, body is green body, and the caps and crown is graduate head. You can see here, and the goggle is full. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, creating NFT and uploading NFT is not enough. Strong marketing skills we need to sell our NFT. So you should also need to learn how can we market our NFT for selling. There are lots of platforms like social media like Twitter, Discord community server, and Telegram and Instagram you can use for selling your NFT, and you can also create YouTube videos for your NFT. Okay, so I hope you learn lots of things from this series. If you have any question, I will answer your all questions, and if you learn from this, so please give me good rating. So I hope this is the last video. If I need to update, so I will update lots some more videos. So bye bye.